Hey, how's it going today? And I'm just going to show you how to do this 3D procedural. This is still rendering out. I'm actually on a laptop that's not very powerful, so it's taking a long time to render. But this, I'm actually not focusing on these models, but this thing in the background. So I'm just going to show you, I already did a video on, so I'm just going to clear the scene here. So I'm going to show you how to do this, how to make your procedurals look 3D for a background like you just saw. We're just going to come into model and go to geometry, and we'll go to ground plane. We'll go okay. Turn the scroll wheel here, and on the pitch I'll just type in -90, and then what we'll do is I'll just zoom in here on this. So it's got to be, basically the trick of it is it's got to be projected onto a surface to get the 3D, the procedurals start looking 3D. So anyway, what we'll do is I'm going to VPR right now. Let me just go into the surface editor. We can just grab this one I've been playing around with a lot lately, is this grid. And you can put the bump in there too. I'll double click this and just kill these windows. Whoops, where did it go? Okay, so this is interesting. If we do the mortar width, I think we can go up to 200%. The mortar sharpness, say we go to 40, it almost starts looking like bars. But what's fascinating to me is just how 3D it looks. And so I've already done a video on how to, if I didn't know anything, that looks like stainless steel bars. And it looks completely modeled in 3D, and it looks very photorealistic. So right there, just by projecting this onto a surface. And then of course you can, change the axis and create some different things here. Now I'll just show you real quick where you can start going with this. So I've already rendered this out as an image, but you'd render it out as an image like this, just render the frame. Oh, you want to match your camera perspective, and then just render out a frame real fast. I don't want to, like I said, this computer is kind of running slow. Procedurals look fantastic. I mean, they look really, really great. And there's so much application that they have. I've already rendered this, so I'm just going to abort this, but I'll go clear scene, and then I'm just going to go into the backdrop, and we're going to go into textured environment, and we'll go texture, and we're going to load that image. It's right here. I've done a couple of them. Let me just go into VPR now. And so here it is. Now what's cool about this is this is the video I've already done, is that you can put it in spherical, and then you start getting all kinds of crazy stuff. But it's 3D looking. It has the lighting to make it look like an actual 3D. And this is really interesting because it looks like, let's see, I'll go down to 0.5. Maybe I can go even lower, 0.2. This is where I created kind of this comet looking thing. And you can move around in your perspective, but you can also reposition yourself here. So you just start, I might have to go to bank. I'll just go this way. Do you see what I mean? You just start getting some stuff that's really cool. What if I go to 0.1? That really looks like a comet or something. But I mean, there's just so many different things that you can do with this once you start playing around with it. So that's just this one aspect of it. And again, if I change the size here on the wrap amount, we start getting into all kinds of crazy stuff. But that's just like, if you're doing more of a design, it just depends on what you're wanting to accomplish. That's how you get it looking like more like a 3D object, is by just projecting it onto a surface. So that's all I had for today. I hope you found this helpful. Take care and have a great day.